Welcome to Integrated Systems Europe 2025 here in Barcelona, the world-renowned annual tech show for the systems integration and audio-visual industry. Well, we're here at the ISE in Barcelona and I'm talking now to Michael from MAXHUB, and just tell everybody about your position within the ProAV market, Michael.
Yeah, my position is I'm managing all sales in the Nordic countries, so Denmark, Norway, Sweden and Finland. And been with MAXHUB for 2 years. It's been an absolute journey. We are booming up and doing a lot of good things, bringing valuable products to the market, so very nice.
And I'd like to talk a little bit more about those products and specifically what you're showcasing here at ISE.
This year we are actually showcasing a lot of new stuff. Primarily we are of course doing our new XCore V7. It's a fully Windows-based, Windows 11 based MTR system, Microsoft Teams Rooms. So we have it on the most viewable spot out in front, and it's actually a fully integrated touch panel with cameras and microphones and speakers. So it's basically one solution on the wall and everything is ready to go.
And tell us about your clients. What are they saying about it, or is this the first time they're seeing it?
This is the first time they are seeing it, but we actually have diverged products in our MAXHUB export with MAXHUB OS, also Windows-based on Windows 11, a more open platform. So we have a little bit of different setups in different customers. We know customers are different. They use products and collaboration units differently. So we have for all the needs in the market right now.
And how excited are you about this offering?
It's very exciting. We established our partnership with MAXHUB and Microsoft last year. We're a global certified partner. All our products are certified or in the process of being certified for Microsoft Teams Rooms and all this environmental setup there is within this setup.
How would you describe the trends in the industry at the minute? I mean, what really are we capable of doing and achieving for customers?
Yeah, actually we see a lot of new stuff in terms of these smart features that are being incorporated into the products, both hardware side and software side. AI, we have a lot of our products now using AI to do smarter things, so you can actually have more value for the customers, and over time, they can actually be upgraded software side, so you can have the product doing very well now, but within the next 2, 3, 4 months, it will do a lot more, bringing even more value to the customer that already bought our products, and now they have a product that is even better.
It's such an exciting time to be in the industry, isn't it? Are you excited at what the future holds?
I'm pretty excited. I'm very, very excited. We in MAXHUB do a lot of things. The export MTR system here is just one of them, but we have a lot of products coming into the market. We are doing more and more in terms of also streaming solutions, small portable cameras, LED walls. We are a big brand. We have a lot of products. We cover all there is in the corporate market, in terms of meeting and screens and all that. So very excited about the future of MAXHUB in Europe and worldwide.
The possibilities are truly endless. Thanks so much for talking to us today, and do enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you so much, and you too.
Thanks, Michael.
Bye.